in. We've got Australia down here, which will be snowstorms, thunderstorms, hurricane, grass fires. And as we move up the freezer, we have got Istanbul. See? Well, oh no, sorry, Ons. Istanbul. So we have got some major heat wave. Moving into Indonesia.
Indonesia?
So that's my word for it. Yeah, it's going to be really warm, hot, steamy, bikini time. Moving up into the atmosphere here, we have got. Somebody lend me some glasses, do I see? My smart shopping list. This is the forthcoming weather for the week. We are going to shop for bikinis, all the nice summer wear, sunglasses, summer hats, which is going to be needed up here in Scotland. As we're moving down into the south coast of the refrigerator, we have got the wheelie bins. Really bad for the wheelie bins. It's going to be a bad time for the wheelie bin area. It's going to be chaos. Bins spilling over, spewing out. Recycle bins is looking good. As we move right down into the south coast, Scarborough, the Wash is not a good area to be. England, having said that, yes, the Latics have beaten Everton and are going to return the match and are going to beat them again. Moving further down into the Camel. The Camel here, as you can see, is a good shape. It's going to be really bursting with atmosphere. It's going to reproduce quite well, and it's going to take a turnover, and we're going to have camel meat for the next 5 years. Forget the horse meat, forget the beef, forget the pig, forget the pork, beef, bacon, butties. Camel meat butties is the next thing that's going to be, yes, A1, camel meat all the way. Bye bye.